Good morning, students. Welcome to the practical session. Last lecture we have see about the page color and the page border. Today we'll learn about the how to create the object color to that object and give the 3D effect to that object. So we'll begin with it. So again we'll start with the page layout. We'll give the page color to the our paper. So we have to select any lighter color. If you want, you can use the fill effect, yeah, gradient fill also. So we have select this one. We have created the page color. Again with the page border, select any of the page border and select it. Now how to create the shape? On the home tab, left of the site, you will see the insert. In the illustration tab, you will see the shape. When you select the shape, you have to go any favorite, yeah, whichever you want, you can take the shape. So I am taking the shape of this and drawing it. So when you select the shape, you will see the home format tab here. No, when you select the shape, you will see the format tab. So when you want to color it, you can go the shape fill. So I am selecting any color. If you want to give the outline to that shape color, you can give the outline also. One more time, if you want to make a shape again, you can make a shape. So I am making this one shape. Again I am giving the shape color. Again I am giving the shape outline color. Now how to create the 3D effect? Do you see the 3D effect tab? Yes, you can see. So when you select it, you can give the 3D effect. So this is the way which we create the 3D effect. Now student, if you want to write in the word art as your name, you can go to again to the insert tab, select the word art, select any of the word art here. Right here I am writing here computer, subject of the part. If you want to write the name, you can write the name. Like so I am giving like Sana. I am writing here Sana. I have written here Sana here. So I am tracking here. So do you see the Sana is written here? So student, hope so you have understood about this practical today. Practice it on your laptop and do it with this all the objects and the word art. So stay safe, stay happy. Goodbye.